Many people are often annoyed with the default settings on pivot tables. Well, if you have Office 365, which updates automatically, starting in June 2017, as Tennyson said, a young man's fancy turns to love in the spring, but a young man's fancy who has a professional job may also turn to pivot tables in the spring. If you go File, Options, Data, you can now reset the default settings for your pivot tables. This is fantastic. And we can thank Bill Gell and Mr. Excel for suggesting this. Okay, so we go File, Options, Data. Okay, now here it is. Make changes to the default layout of pivot tables. I just saw this update on my machine yesterday. Okay, so you can, if you have a pivot table in your worksheet and you like the settings, you can just click on that pivot table and import the settings. Or you can do things like don't show subtotals, show subtotals at the top of the group is the default. The grand totals you can turn on or off. And the one most people like, do you want the report layout to be compact form, outline form, or tabular form? Everybody has a different preference. Okay, do you want to repeat all items labels? Okay. In other words, if it basically shows ice cream and then it shows Breyers or Graders or Bluebell, you want it to say ice cream, repeat that. And then you want to sort of blank line after each item, or you can reset to the Excel default. So this is truly fantastic. I mean, I don't want to do any examples because I sort of like the settings I have. But basically, you can, again, go File, Options, Data, make changes to the default layout of pivot tables. Changes to default layout of pivot tables. And I'm sure you'll find situations where you, or changes you want to make, and as Cheryl Crow would say, a change will do you good.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of three books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.